Welcome, in the Tube family. LCD screen specifications. Resolution determines the sharpness of the image. Common resolutions include Full HD 1920x1080, Quad HD 2560 by 144, and 4K Ultra HD 3840 by 2160. Brightness, measured in nits, affects how well the screen performs in different lighting conditions. Typical values range from 250 to 1000 nits. Refresh rate, measured in Hz Hz, the number of times the screen refreshes per second. Common refresh rates are 60 Hz, 120 Hz, and 144 Hz. Contrast ratio measures the difference between the darkest and lightest parts of the screen. A higher contrast ratio usually means better image quality and depth. Color accuracy, important for tasks that require precise color representation. Specifications often include color coverage standards like sRGB, Adobe RGB, or DCI-P3. Viewing angles refers to how well the screen maintains image quality when viewed from different angles. Larger viewing angles are better for collaborative work or group viewing. Response time, measured in milliseconds ms, the time it takes for a pixel to change from one color to another. Lower response times reduce motion blur in fast-moving content. Panel type. Different panel types affect color accuracy, contrast, and viewing angles. Common types include IPS in-plane switching, TN twisted pneumatic, and VA vertical alignment. Size, measured diagonally. Screen size affects the viewing experience. Common sizes for monitors range from 21 inches to 32 inches or more. Aspect ratio, the ratio of the screen's width to its height. Common aspect ratios are 16:9 widescreen and 21:9 ultra-wide. Subscribe our channel for more tips and follow us on TikTok.